Welcome to Palmer College of Chiropractic,
where we're dedicated to shaping the future of chiropractic care.
Let's take a closer look at the Doctor of Chiropractic academic curriculum year by year. In your first year, you'll start core classes, gaining an understanding of basic sciences through classes like anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. You'll also study the principles and philosophy of chiropractic.
Palmer's curriculum emphasizes hands-on learning from day one,
ensuring you're well prepared to tackle real-world challenges. Plus, there are dozens of technique clubs to continue your learning outside of the classroom.
Year one prepares you with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in this dynamic field and in the rest of the program.
In your second year of the program, you'll focus on learning the Palmer package of chiropractic techniques through hands-on practice, and in our state-of-the-art technique classrooms, you'll refine your skills under the guidance of experienced faculty.
You'll also study chiropractic clinical topics like active and passive care, nutrition, and differential diagnosis.
In addition, you'll build on what you learned in year one and integrate clinical skills courses and strengthen your science foundation in classes such as systems pathology and toxicology, empowering you to become a well-rounded practitioner.
In your third year of the program, you'll have the opportunity to apply your knowledge in real-world settings at the Palmer Chiropractic clinics.
Under the supervision of faculty clinicians, you'll gain invaluable hands-on experience while honing your management skills for future practice success.
Additionally, in your final term, you'll have the opportunity to learn through preceptorships with experienced doctors of chiropractic or serve in rotations with the Department of Defense or Veteran Affairs.
Whichever path you take, you'll emerge from Palmer College of Chiropractic fully equipped to make a difference in the lives of your patients. Chiropractic started here.
And so will your journey to becoming a doctor of chiropractic.
Start your path to success with us today.